because they're hot.
Oh my god.
Somewhere exciting. We've not even started yet. She's already locked. She's exhausted by all the different places we've gone this week. Okay, we are gonna play the theme song of Peppa Pig and see if it wakes her up. Let's try it.
What's that?
What didn't knock off?
I'm Peppa Pig. In 2 miles, take the exit towards Ola Interchange. And this is Daddy Pig. This is Daddy Pig. In 1.5 miles, take the exit to...
Not much.
Baby!
Take the exit towards A326.
Look, let's show the Hastings fams are matching outfits. Yeah.
In 1/4 mile, at Ola Interchange, take the first exit onto A326.
Baby, we played Peppa Pig song. He's coming fast. We played Peppa Pig.
Why would you speed up? You complete
definitely
jockstrap. Oh yes, but you're
we played
taxi
Peppa
driver.
Pig song to wake you up, but you didn't budge.
Think so.
This is the theme song. Da, 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 da.
I didn't hear you.
You didn't hear it?
No.
Why?
Because my ears was on the chair. And my,
No,
and
I put.
and my head was on my other hair. That's what you love me?
Yes.
I was like, I didn't even hear it. This is Mommy.
I put it here.
I didn't. No. My hat was looking the way.
I moved the hat.
Continue straight to stay on A326, then use the left lane to take the
You're so
A36
tired?
slip road.
We're 5 minutes. We're 4 minutes away.
Use the left lane to take
Where are we
the
going, Amira?
A36 slip road, then turn
Where are we
left on
going?
Salisbury Road.
1, 2, 3. Peppa
Back end road is this taking us on?
Are we lost?
No, I just said there's a quicker route. Do you want to accept it? I said yes. I'm not.
Turn right on
Your
the
little
Salisbury Road,
shortcut draw
A36.
blood. What you doing, yeah?
Oh, we still end up going back this way.
There must be traffic at the intersection.
Nervous scratch his neck.
It's not nervous from the back.
Oh!
Uh-oh.
There we are. Look, we're here.
Take the next right.
That's
Mile,
what it's called,
turn
Papa.
left.
Yeah, it has Peppa Pig World in it. Are we going to see Peppa?
Who's that on the left?
Who's this? Grandpa or Daddy? Grandpa Pig? Come, let's go to the first ride. We're gonna go on Peppa's balloon. Oh, Grandpa Pig's house. So first.
Go right here.
Yes, come.
In the blue one have no queues for me.
Yeah, that's why we're going to this one. Oops. Let's go. This is gonna be so. Yeah, it's gonna be so
Please help us to
fun.
ensure this by listening to the following instructions.
Hi, Daddy Pig. Hi, Uncle Pig. Wow, spin, baby, spin.
Spin, help me, spin.
You're gonna meet Peppa.
Yeah, but it's only a costume.
It's only a what?
Costume.
What?
It's only a costume.
Oh.
Baby, you're gonna meet Peppa.
I know it's Peppa, but it's a costume. There's a paper inside.
Can you give George a big cuddle? Can you give him a big cuddle?
Is it in there?
Yeah, my lovely son.
Okay.
Thank you.
Any salad with it?
Yes, please.
Hot water. Only from here.
Yeah.
Can we get water?
The bag, yeah? We have a small water, please, Jeremy. Thank you. Yeah. We're going to get our jelly. Anything else?
That's it, thank you. Oh god, they have a changing area, and inside it has loads of different beds, changing pads. You can't really see, but
Hello, Mira. Hey, yo. Look at you riding the dinosaur all by yourself, huh? Look at you going. I'm also recording. Look at you. Look at them. You having fun? Yeah. There you go. There you go. There you go, little thing. All right. I'll see you at the exit, yeah? Wait for me at the exit.
how was it?
But I'm by myself.
You went on your own?
Yeah.
Was it good? So we're at that point in the day where it's mid-morning, no, it's about to be afternoon, and we've done quite a few rides already, but we're getting a bit peckish, so we're trying to find one more ride that we can do with a short queue. Then we're gonna have lunch, and then we're gonna feed the penguins and do other rides. Hot. We just went to where did we go? Peppa's house, and
Grandpa Pig's boat trip is only 15 minutes.
do you want to go on the boat trip?
Okay.
And then we do lunch, and then we go to the castle, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go!
Mira!
Kaya? Hungry man. Look at the yarn.
Sorry now. Eat him. My uncle got fries and hot dog. I got chicken and fries, french fries. Even uncle, even daddy, and even mommy. They got burger. Daddy got. They got daddy.
All done. And burger as well.
Daddy had same like mommy. So I have this kind of chicken.
going to Peppa's house.
Sure, Dana's gonna be here.
But that won't happen this time.
See, Daddy.
Good shots, Peppa. I'll have apples, alright?
Squeeze a bee.
Okay, George.
Look at me.
George loves strawberries.
Again, one more time, Baba. Look at me, look at me.
And what do you all fancy doing after you eat our pancakes?
Okay.
Cheese. Oh yeah, I can see it. Yeah.
With young support, more senior children.
Okay. Yeah, you two are going. We want to do opposite so we can see each other. Is that fine?
So we can have
I
two
can-
there and then two
Yeah.
right at the back.
We can go on this side. Let me just drop the bag.
Oh, you can
Mommy, look at that, Mommy.
Yeah, baby, don't worry. Come.
Mommy, come sit like that.
I'm coming. I have to put my bag over there.
Higher. Hey, Tommy. My tummy is
Going.
full with
Falling off. I know what you mean. But you know what happened? You know when I throw her up sometimes and she don't like that.
Yeah.
That's that feeling.
You were so brave, though.
Yeah, baby, you did very good, baby. I'm so proud of you.
Okay, other than the tummy, do you think it was fun? Just the tummy, right? Yeah, but it was fun otherwise? No? Or yes? No. Okay, give me a kiss. Proud of you, Baba. Hi, baby.
Queen's kitchen.
Purpose for what I'm doing today was completely normal, but actually it's not to do makeup coming in the wild. Who's to tell whether you're from a makeup of the same kind or not?
Oh, they put it in ice cubes.
Mommy, why do they stay still like this? Mommy, why do they stay still like this?
That's what they do, really.
For what? Mommy, for what?
They don't do much.
Thought that was for me.
Elephant at the back. Look how long the spikes are. So we've done
Good reaction.
this.
Come, baby.
Come learn.
We've done this.
So what's happening is, water's flowing from there.
This.
Here. See one here?
We haven't done this yet, and we haven't done this yet.
This big wheel here.
And I don't think the last ride went down well. So I think we're gonna go with maybe 2 of our calm rides. Then we get her the milkshake and we head home because oh, Matt's teaching us, but I missed the lesson.
Yeah.
Mom,
Which is part of the reason that I think Diddy is hesitant to get in. So you may wonder if some of our penguins are actually different species from the other, but then we're
this one's down. Penguins are rainbow water.
Oh, baby, he's right next to you. Whoa! Go! Whoa!
Who do you think you're talking to? The lens open.
The cheese.
Cheese! Say cheese, dinosaur!
He's gonna bite you, Adaine. Sorry, she's gonna bite you.
You're safe.
Wow!
Go, girl.
So let's have chocolate on a cone, just like a small standard one. No, thank you. And then what are you having, Matt?
Can I get
A bottle of water, please, as well. Wow, thank you. Eat that bit first. This bit. That bit. Yeah. Thank you.
So yeah, guys. So now I'm just looking at the map. You're standing on that page, fans. And yeah.
We're gonna head. You hear my voice on that, man? So I'm tired. Look, I lost many nails today. We're gonna go to the toy shop first, then we're gonna head home.
Like 40 minutes, so yeah, we have to go.
And we had an amazing day. Definitely recommend. I recommend coming early because I feel like at around 2-3 she'd had enough of rides and things, so we could enjoy like feeding of the animals and some shows and things like that. And then it was downtime from
Yes,
there.
that's what's happened, guys.
Yeah. We got
Yeah.
ice cream and now
Yeah.
she's pooped. She said she's ready to go home, so
No, I haven't. Guys, I have only fun, not food. Yeah. Mom is saying the wrong thing.
Good day, though.
yeah, it was really good actually. It's our first time here and it was, yeah, it was really good. Good morning, Hastings fans! We're going rock climbing. This little one is going to go rock climbing first. And then...
Get me mad.
I saw him coming, but babe and Mira jumped. Nah, babe jumped out of his skin.
Down at the Oreo, so I jumped out of the Oreo.
Then we're gonna go to Mercedes-Benz World, and then we're going to do some shopping and chilling, and then back home. And these game heads are gonna go back on the PlayStation and play some more games. So that's the plan for today. So more of a chilled, relaxed vibe, but super excited about her doing rock climbing. There you go. Good job. As long as she doesn't look down, she's fine in it.
She's doing good enough?
Yeah. Wow.
Oh, cool. That's even higher. Well done. Yeah. Are you sure? 100%. Okay.
this is their fully electric model. Look at those racing cars, baby.
They like road.
Yeah, they look like that, don't they? And there's the charging pump. Bubba.
I love this one.
Hi, Bubba. She's going one way. Isn't it?
No, there's two ways.
I know, but the thing is, it's just the fact that she's the only one doing it. Like, she don't follow. Like, she's doing her own thing. Is she watching the stoplight?
I don't think it changes. It does change.
It does change. It does, yeah. She was waiting for the green light. The way she squeezed it. How was that?
Good.
Yeah. What's that? You got your license.
What's that?
It means you can drive. You're legal, girl. That is sick.
Hold it down, hold it down, hold it down.
Hold it down.
On the train. There you go. There you go.
Press it. This one. Listen to this one.
So that's going to be a very high pitched one, that is. That's good. Wait, I thought there was snorkels on it. Oh, okay.
There you go.
We're now at the cafe now. I'm drinking hot chocolate. So guys, was you still recording? Did mommy put the phone anywhere where you can see it? Can you? Because we're looking for the phone for me to play Roblox. Guys, you got it? Now help me look for the phone. I need to. Guys, have you know? Can't really see anything. It's a step. Can you see anything? Can you?
No.
Oh, come on, guys. Like, I'm literally dying for the phone.
So I'm not going to be able to find that. Lightning is quite old.
Guys.
Well, actually, no, it's not.
Tell me why we get to the car and only just I lost my handbag.
That's why I did it.
with my purse and everything in there. So I'm like, wait, now it's backtracking. Did we leave rock climbing with it? Did we whatever? And I'm thinking, no, I had it.